Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make microwave mug pizza in just 2 minutes. So let's get started. So first you will need microwave safe mug. Into that I'll add a half cup of all-purpose flour. So now next is 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So now into this I'll add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Next goes in 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. So now we are going to whisk all the dry ingredients. Like so. So now our all dry ingredients are ready and we'll start adding our wet ingredients. So for that, here I have 6 tablespoons of milk which I'm going to add in the flour mixture. Okay. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we are going to mix this, all the ingredients.
Now add 1 tablespoon of water.
So as you can see, our dough is ready. I'm just going to clean the edges with my spoon, like so. Just level it up, like this. Now add 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce. And you want to spread this pizza sauce gently all around. Now time to add cheese. Lots of fun, lots of cheese. Look at that. Alright. Good. Now you can add any of your favorite toppings here. You can use pepperoni or anything you like actually. I'm going to sprinkle some chili flakes if you like spicy, and I'll add olives. And I add a very tiny pinch of oregano on top. Okay, and I'll cook this, and it should be ready between 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes depending on your microwave. Just cook till you see the cheese is nice and melted. So here this goes in the microwave. Look at this, my pizza is ready.
And it is perfect for lunch. You can customize however you like.
Now I'm going to show you how delicious it is. Yes. Look at that.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have enjoyed it. And if you like my video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And I'll see you in my next video with another great recipe. Till then, bye bye.